First order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 3 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Like, I see the bag just sitting there. There's no one at this window. Thank you. So, how about another order? Maybe, possibly. Finally got the next orders. These are high mileage. We got a stack going to 2 different people. I think it might be 2 different restaurants as well. Yeah, it is. We got Taco Bell and Donut Nook. These are going like 7.5 miles. Oh, this is on Earn by Time, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. Current rate is $17 an hour.
Hey, are you picking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Thanks.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Which one are you here for?
Sylvia?
Excellent. Let's get you some coffee, my friend. Thank you much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Look at you with your fancy camera.
Total for that stack was $15. Not bad, but there's always a but. No tip on the Taco Bell there. Very cringe. Next up, we've got another Taco Bell. This is going 8 miles, another high mileage one. And if it's like the other Taco Bell, this is going to be another no tip. This might actually be ready on time. This is all sauce packets, 22 items, all sauce. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. You too. Easy enough. Now I just got to drive 1,000,000 miles to drop this off. I wonder what the situation is here. Like, did their previous Taco Bell order just forget their sauces and needed another driver to bring them? Or maybe they just want to snack on the sauces. There you are.
Thank you.
I was wondering why. I was wondering why it was all sauces. I'm like, for sure they ordered Taco Bell and they just forgot them or something like that.
Yeah.
I have no signal, so I can't complete the order. Yeah, he was literally holding another bag of Taco Bell in his hand, so that answers that question. Never mind. I think DoorDash might be down in general because it's just bugging out. Maybe I just have to restart my phone or something. I'll just throw up the number once I get home and it figures itself out. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going about 3 miles. Oh, that's lovely. Gotta love, 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 love. Top floor. Up we go. Oh, and that was a no tip. Nice. Total for that one was $7. Next order up is Red Leaf Organic Coffee. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, I looked at the receipt on that. The total for that order is $76. That's probably more than I'm making all day. So that's kind of crazy. Grab it from the bottom. It might rip on top.
Yep.
There you are. Have a good day. Total for that one was $10. Okay, not bad, not bad. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 5 miles. Total for that one was $10. Ooh, good tip on that one. That was a really good order. And got this right away. This is a Cecil Bagel, $7 going about 4 miles. Yeah, I've got 2 orders. I got Jennifer and Deanna.
Here is Jennifer, and here is Deanna.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is $5 going an extra 3 miles. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a donut nook, $7 going about 5 miles.
Alright, buddy, have a good day.
Thank you. Oh boy. Let me know if you guys would take this order. It's actually 2. Got a Subway and a Shop and Deliver for Fred Meyer, 4 items. $5 going 7 miles. 4 wrongs don't make a right. Okay, here we go. This is a McDonald's, $6 going 2 miles. Thank you.
Of course, have a great day.
You too. Got this one right away. This is a Starbucks, $6 going about 2 miles. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $7 going about 4 miles. This place is busy. What the heck? Look at that line.
Can they get a refill or not?
Okay, I think that's enough for me. Time to go home. Actually, I have to go to the grocery store first. Anyways, current time is 9:44. Total will be up on the screen right now. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.